I asked AI what is a billionaire's nighttime routine. Okay, plan for tomorrow. Is that even healthy? The Secret Gratitude Journal. Yeah. I asked AI ki what is a billionaire's nighttime routine. I'm not lying, I swear I asked. So it says from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. a billionaire likes to relax or reflect, जिसमें they potentially do meditation, review the day's accomplishment and plan for tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna follow it. Then उसके बाद, okay, we'll get to that later. अभी ये कर लेते हैं. First I will review my day's accomplishments. What did I accomplish today? आज मैं सुबह उठी. And सुबह उठते ही I got my period. So thank you for the great start, universe. I did some work. उसके बाद I went for some feel worthy work, जिसके लिए काम लाइक वहाँ पे 1 घंटे का था, बट आई वॉज इन द कार फॉर लाइक 2-3 आवर्स. तो एक जगह बैठे बैठे गर्ल्स, यू जस्ट नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. आई मीन शाम हो गई थी घर आते आते. सो आई हाईलाइट ऑफ माई डे, द बिगेस्ट अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट, आई हैड दाल मखनी. हाउ कैन यू टॉप दैट? लाइक इसको यू जस्ट कांट. अभी भी मेरे को है एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट काम करने को, but I'm just going to ignore it and not do it because a billionaire starts their night routine at 9 p.m. So I just have to unwind. I cannot work anymore. यही work-life balance है, my boys.
Mental boy.
You know what? मेरे को स्किन केयर करने का मन कर रहा है. Let me just check. billionaire स्किन केयर करता है क्या? मेडिटेशन है, ठीक है, रीडिंग. ना भाई, स्किन केयर नहीं करता बिलियनर. स्टॉप इट. मैं तो स्किन केयर करी बिकॉज स्किन केयर बिना आई जस्ट कांट फंक्शन. मेरे को बहुत गंदा गंदा फील हो रहा है अपने अंदर से. वो का वाइब्स. मेरे को अभी से नींद आ रही है. वो बहुत ज्यादा नींद आ रही है आज. ऑनेस्टली आई जस्ट लव अनवाइंडिंग. द नाइट इज माई फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द डे. यू नो दैट. ओह ऑल्सो वेट, दाल मखनी से एक बड़ी अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट, फील वर्दी हिट 10K followers on Instagram today. Oh my god, wow. Like I remember when I hit 10K on my account and it was just so special, and now my brand has hit 10K. So I cut a pastry. I mean lots of pastries. Cut हमने सिर्फ एक ही करी. हमारे घर में एक पेस्ट्री से किसी का कुछ नहीं होता. सबके चश्मे चमक रहे हैं. Let's go and wash our face. Snail music. मेरी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा ड्राई होती है आजकल. Also gonna put these अबे under eye mask. यार बहुत जलन हो रही है यार यहाँ पे. शिट आई थिंक मैंने गलत लगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये दिस इज हैपनिंग व्हेन आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो. ऑफ कोर्स गाइस, सूज रहा है क्या? सूजा है क्या? Oh shit, I forgot to show you. I got these cute clips from Amazon. Look, cute. My lip balm from Indie Oil. I love to smell good when I am going to bed. मैंने मुंह में मार लिया. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड कोशिश करी to channel Vogue, but it's only giving more to me hika. Then अरे I want to make you listen to a song which Selena made me listen to in the flight. It is called Jhol by Manu and Anural Khalid. माहौल बनाती हूँ, माहौल बनाती हूँ. The female part is so good. दूसरे genre में this song is all over my feed. I love it. there to reflect. Okay, plan for tomorrow. First of all, I want to tick off a goal that I had for January. Done, my boys. It's done and I've ticked it off. आज की जो मेरी to do list थी उसमें से मैंने क्या क्या कर लिया है. Ticking that off. La 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 la. I am done with tomorrow's to-do list. There are only 3 tasks, but वो थोड़े लेंदी है. रिलैक्सेशन एंड रिफ्लेक्शन. अच्छा नहीं, इसमें मेडिटेशन एंड माइंडफुलनेस भी था. So उसके लिए I will do some breathing exercises. I'll do that for 10 minutes because अभी 10 बजने में 10 minutes है. Let me see what's next. Then 10 to 10:30 p.m. is reading or learning a new skill, and then 10:30 to 11:15 is something else, and 11:15 to 11:30, and then 11:30 sleep. पहले तो ये कौन सा बिलियनर है जो 11:30 बजे सो रहा है? Because I felt like सारे बिलियनर टाइप लोग 10 बजे के अराउंड सो जाते हैं because of whatever circadian rhythm. 10 to 6 sleep लेनी चाहिए. Stuff like that. By the way, इसमें लिखा हुआ है that Mark Zuckerberg takes like 5-6 hours of sleep, and Richard Branson also takes 5-6 hours of sleep each night. Is that even healthy? Okay, it is 10 to, and from 10 to 10:30 is personal development time. इसमें we can read or learn a new skill. भाई रात को कौन new skill learn करता है? You know what? I don't see myself doing this in a night routine, but I am going to read. Reading is a part of my night routine, but I do that एकदम सोने से पहले. So कोई बात नहीं, I will read for today's sake. I usually read fiction, but आजकल I have like gone back to my favorite book in the whole world. It's called The Secret. So इस book, like this book is so special to me कि I want to cry. ये book मैंने पहली बार 2023 में पढ़ी थी, and I will not say कि ये changed my life because this is based on law of attraction, and that is something I believe in with every cell of my body. Just how the law has been explained of how, you know, everything is so psychological. Every feeling is just programming your brain in a way you're not even aware of, and how you can just rewire your life. You can rewire your brain. You can change your reality. I have started rereading this because I am just finding myself in situations where I am being tested and I am being challenged. And look, I have highlighted literally every other line in this book. To 11:15 we have leisure and creativity. We can either listen to music or podcasts, or do creative expressions such as writing, drawing or playing a musical instrument. कौन सा बिलियनर रात में गिटार बजा रहा है? मेरे को तो समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या इसने निकाल के दे दिया मेरे को. So basically I will tell you what. Basically for my leisure, what I'm gonna do is watch Exo Kitty with Mama because we started it yesterday. I mean season 2 of Exo Kitty is out. हमने season 1 देख रखा था. Apart from that, podcast मैंने दिन में ही सुना है, and music मैं सुनती रहती हूँ. So I'm gonna be my type of billionaire.
Which I know it wasn't on purpose, but
अच्छा cheater cop.
you were so right that I needed to reach out to her.
It is 11:13 right now, and जो 11:15 तक का था ना, there was creative expression also, जिसमें लिखा हुआ है engage in a creative activity such as writing, and drawing. Nobody's doing drawing, and the only sane thing is writing. The one that I'm currently using is my gratitude journal. I like to play some music. Yeah, let's go. I am done with the journaling, the gratitude and the affirmations for today. And the next thing is digital detox. Disconnect from all the screens and blue light from anywhere, and prepare the sleep environment. Make sure the bedroom is cool, dark and quiet. Invest in a good mattress and pillow. Okay, billionaire, ठीक है भाई, मेरा pillow mattress सब बढ़िया है. But okay, I'll make sure the room is dark. I love dark. I'm switching off this light. Laptop close. Speaker जगह पे. This goes inside. It smells so good. इसको मैं I'm just lighting this for a while because I am so sorry, but मेरे को अपनी बुक पढ़नी है अभी भी थोड़ी देर. Also let me just quickly change out of this. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा है to be sleeping in it. I have changed now that the vibe of the room is dark and cold and whatever, and I have to get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep, which I do always without fail. मैं कोई बोलता भी नहीं तो मैं उससे ज़्यादा ही ले लूँ actually. But I want to end this video. मैंने actually एक affirmation देखी थी बहुत अच्छी reels पे, which I wrote down on like a sticky note. So I'll just show it to you and you can take a screenshot of it and read it on your own. Yeah, I'm so sorry for my disgusting nail polish. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.